Today I want to talk about how to stay motivated and inspired as a lash artist. This is especially important during challenging times. Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tatiana Garcia. I've been a lash artist for over 5+ years, and thank you so much for watching. I hope I can inspire you. You can learn something from me and hopefully help you grow as a lash artist yourself. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. If you do like this video, please leave me a comment down below. Leave me a little heart so I know you guys like this type of content and I can create more. The first thing I recommend is to practice self-care and look out for your own well-being. As lash artists, we're constantly helping other people feel beautiful about themselves, and sometimes we forget about ourselves in the process. So make sure to take time for yourself to reduce stress levels, because you do not want your work to suffer as a result. Find activities that help you de-stress, that make you feel good and happy. For example, reading a book, taking a nap, stretching after a client, or going on walks by yourself, or if you have a dog or something, go on a walk with your dog. That's something I absolutely love doing. When I was just having a stressful day, I'd pick up my dog and we'd go on a 2-mile walk. It was the best self-care thing I would do for myself. And practicing self-care is so important. You know, as lash artists, we're sitting down constantly. All we do is sit down on our asses and work, and our back at the end of the day hurts so much. So my biggest recommendation is get moving, do some yoga, go for a walk. If you like swimming or if you like the jacuzzi, get inside a jacuzzi for 30 minutes if you can, or whatever the time frame you want to do. It will help tremendously. A jacuzzi has so many great benefits for you, and that's just something I wish I had more access to when I was doing lashes. And now that I actually do have access to one, I use it constantly because the jacuzzi is amazing. Eat healthy. Eating healthy will change not only your body, but your mind and your soul, and just as much energy that you can produce throughout the day. Especially the type of work that we do as lash artists can be very straining to our body. So eat healthy to have a healthy, long living life. Secondly, make sure to keep your workspace clean and organized. Your workspace is a reflection of your mental state. Since it can be so hard to stay motivated when your space is cluttered and unorganized. So make sure to carve out time to clean up and open positive energy. Thirdly, the lash industry, it's growing, and it's important to take advantage of the opportunities made available, like attending a lash conference, networking with other lash artists, and finding new ideas and inspiration to continue going. Going to lash conferences and networking. If you can't afford a lash conference, that's okay, but there's a ton of Facebook groups, a ton of resources that you can use for free. For example, like this video that you're watching right now. This is an amazing resource that you are using for free. So continue watching other artists, learn from them, get inspired from them, and not only that, but if you can't, network with them, which is free also. Go find on Google lash artists near me and message them, talk to them. I wish I would have networked more when I was doing lashes full time, because I really didn't. I only talked to a couple of people, and if I would have networked more, I feel like I would have learned so many other new things. But unfortunately, I didn't put myself out there. So don't make the same mistakes I made. Put yourself out there and get networking. Also, it is helpful to reach out on social media to both old and new clients, like creating stories and posts that they can relate to, so they can remember about your services and products you offer. This can also help you engage with current and potential new clients. And of course, spread the word about your business. When promoting yourself on social media, always let your clients know what you offer, like your services and your products, and post as constantly as you can. The more you put yourself out there, the more you will instill in your client's brain that you exist. Because remember, the goal is to make sure people know that you have a business in the first place. You may think you're promoting enough, but once a day is not enough. Sometimes I would post 3 times a day, every single day. If you can't post a post, at least post a story and constantly stay active, constantly. Because have in mind, there's so many people we follow that sometimes we forget that your business even exists. So if you want to be known by people, make sure you're constantly putting yourself out there so people can see that you exist. Finally, it's important, emphasis on important, to find inspiration from other creative outlets, such as art, music, and other forms of entertainment. Remain open and find sources of inspiration that you can turn to when you're feeling down. Seeking inspiration from other outlets, go on to other lash tech pages and see their work. See what you don't like about them and try not to make those mistakes, Use them as mirrors to make your craft better and better each time. I know lashing is such a difficult task on its own, plus you're adding on marketing, putting your business out there, customer service, and all these things. I know it's difficult, but if you don't think you have the guts to do this, then what are you doing? It takes a lot to make a lash business successful. Trust me, I did it. I was there. I loved it and I enjoyed it when I was doing it. But after a while, I realized this wasn't what I wanted. And now that I'm out of it, I feel so much better. And I'm gonna make a whole video about why I quit lashing. And that's gonna come up very soon, hopefully. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload that video. Put your best foot forward in order to succeed in lashing. It's not easy, but it's not impossible. I hope this helps you and you stay motivated. These are just a few tips I recommend for staying motivated and inspired as a lash artist, especially during challenging times. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. I hope this helps you. And if you have any video content ideas that you would like for me to create, please leave them down in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to create something that you specifically asked for. Once again, my name is Tatiana Garcia. I truly appreciate this. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.